Hey everyone, and welcome to Healthy Facts 101. We're so glad you're here with us today. Whether you're a new parent, a seasoned caregiver, or just someone interested in healthy living, you've come to the right place. I'm so excited to talk to you today about something that's close to my heart: healthy eating, especially for the little ones in our lives. It's amazing how the right nutrition can set the foundation for a lifetime of good health. We all know how important those early years are for development. And you know what plays a huge role? You guessed it, nutrition. The food we give our babies can impact their cognitive development, physical growth, and even their mood and behavior. That's why I'm thrilled to be sharing 7 brain-boosting baby food recipes that are not only good for your little one's growing brain, but also taste delicious. These recipes are easy to make and packed with nutrients that support brain health. We're talking about superfoods packed with all the good stuff like healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. Think avocados, blueberries, sweet potatoes, and more. These ingredients are not only nutritious, but also versatile and delicious. So if you're ready to give your baby the best possible start, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cooking some brain power. Stay tuned as we dive into each recipe, step by step, and share tips on how to make mealtime fun and nutritious for your little one. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite baby food recipes or any questions you might have. Let's create a community of healthy, happy families together. First up, we've got the amazing avocado. This versatile fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. This creamy green fruit is like a superhero for growing brains. It's rich in essential nutrients that support brain development and overall health. It's packed with healthy fats, the good kind, that help those little synapses fire just right. These fats are crucial for cognitive function and can even improve memory and learning. And making avocado puree is easier than you think. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes, making it a perfect option for busy parents. Just take a ripe avocado, scoop out the flesh, and mash it up with a fork. You can also use a blender if you prefer a smoother texture. You can add a little breast milk or formula to thin it out if you need to. This not only makes it easier for your baby to eat, but also adds extra nutrients. That's it. Your baby will gobble this up. Avocado puree is not only tasty, but also a fantastic way to introduce your little one to solid foods. Plus, it's a great way to ensure they're getting the nutrients they need for healthy growth and development. Next, we're whipping up a delicious blueberry banana mash. Blueberries, oh my goodness, they're like tiny little antioxidant powerhouses. They help protect those developing brain cells from any damage. And bananas? They're full of essential vitamins and give the mash a lovely sweetness. Simply mash a ripe banana with a fork and mix in some fresh or frozen blueberries. It's so easy and so good for them. Now let's talk about sweet potatoes and carrots. These vibrant veggies are full of beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A, and that's super important for brain health. To make this mash, just steam or boil some peeled and chopped sweet potatoes and carrots until they're nice and tender. Then mash them together, and you've got a delicious and nutritious meal for your little one. It's like sunshine on a plate. Chapter 4: Spinach and Pea Powerhouse. Let's move on to a green and glorious puree spinach and peas. Now, I know what you're thinking, spinach? For a baby? But trust me, it's packed with iron and vitamins that are crucial for brain development. Plus, when you mix it with sweet peas, it's surprisingly delicious. Just steam some spinach and peas until they're soft, then blend them into a smooth puree. Your baby will be so strong and smart. Chapter 5. Okay, parents, get ready for this one. Salmon and veggie mash. Salmon is like the king of brain food. It's full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain development. Don't worry, you don't have to be a chef to make this. Just bake or steam some salmon until it's cooked through, then flake it into a bowl. Add some steamed veggies like broccoli, zucchini, or sweet potato, and mash it all together. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Chapter 6. Time for some quinoa and apple porridge. Quinoa is a superfood, and for good reason. It's packed with protein and fiber, which are important for a growing baby. And when you pair it with the natural sweetness of apples, it's like a warm hug for their tummy and their brain. Just cook some quinoa according to package directions, then mix in some diced apples and cinnamon. It's a comforting and nutritious breakfast or snack. Chapter 7. Last but not least, we've got a hearty and delicious lentil and pumpkin stew. Lentils are a fantastic source of protein and iron, which are essential for brain development and overall health. And pumpkin, well, it's not just for Halloween. It adds a lovely sweetness and a boost of vitamins. To make this stew, simply simmer some lentils with diced pumpkin, carrots, and your favorite spices. It's a warm and comforting meal that will nourish your baby from the inside out. So there you have it, 7 brain-boosting baby food recipes that are sure to delight your little ones and give them the nutrition they need to grow strong and healthy. Each recipe is carefully crafted to include ingredients that are not only tasty, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Facts 101 for more healthy tips and tricks. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos that are designed to help you and your family lead a healthier lifestyle. And most importantly, try out these recipes and let me know what your little ones think. I bet they'll love them. Share your experiences, photos, and any variations you come up with in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create even better content for you. We love seeing how our recipes turn out in your kitchens and hearing about the joy they bring to your families. Whether it's a small tweak to suit your baby's taste or a completely new idea inspired by our recipes, we want to hear all about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos on healthy eating for the whole family. We have a lot of exciting content planned, from nutritious meal ideas to tips on maintaining a balanced diet. Your health journey is important to us, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and keep enjoying those healthy meals. Bye.